Hi, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking copper futures. Copper is on an absolute tear, up another 2% today on its highest level since November 2014, and we're working on a 7th straight week higher. Now, the last time we got 7 weeks in a row higher in copper was actually 2009. Oddly enough, the end of the week that signified the 7th week in a row up was August 24th, 2009. It is August 24th today, so just a weird little twist. That doesn't really matter for the price of copper at all. However, we could get a turnaround in that, and we'll talk about some of those factors. Now, right now the rally is still about China. We're still talking about Chinese production cuts as they cut their smelting operations with their ongoing pollution production program. So the demand to the globe and to the highest purchaser of copper, China itself, is going to be reduced. So that's a significant development in terms of the price of copper. But we're also talking about the demand side from China, who continues with government construction. Last numbers we saw, most of the numbers, even though they were a little light, showed that the government is still on a construction binge, and they use copper for a lot of that construction, hence them being the largest buyer of copper. So it's still about China's supply and demand sort of relationship, and right now the demand side with the reduced supply is pushing copper prices even higher. Now, Janet Yellen at Jackson Hole, Wyoming, which she's speaking on Friday morning, actually has the ability to push copper prices lower if she's aggressive. And she's expected to be aggressive. The market thinks she will be aggressive because copper, like other commodities, is priced in dollars. So it makes copper a lot cheaper if the dollar's stronger. So you could eventually see, or essentially see, that inverse relationship between commodities and the dollar if Janet Yellen talks about rate hikes, if she convinces the market that rate hikes are still a possibility with our CPI on a trending downward move. You could see the dollar strengthen, which will put a little bit of pressure on commodity prices. It's unlikely that we push copper all the way down to negative for the week, so we should complete the 7th week in a row of copper. But if she's excessively aggressive, she has the ability to do that. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.